Hello everyone, welcome back to Plumber Parts. My name's James. Today in this little tools I love review, I'm actually going to give you a bit of a 2-for-1 thing here. Actually no, a 3-for-1. We're going to be looking at a beautiful pipe cleaner that I use that is absolutely brilliant. You can only get it in one place as well. This guy makes them himself and he sent me some out and he's selling them himself on his eBay store. I'm also going to show you a little angle drill attachment that I use with it as well that I've been using for a little while now to make it even easier to use. And also at the end of it there's going to be a chance for you to win one of them as well, but I'll be telling you how to do that later on in the video. So I hope you enjoyed today's little mini video, a little bit of tools of the trade and tools that I think you guys need to have. Without further ado, let's have a look at it now. Hold tight. So obviously, one of the biggest hindrances to you or me or an apprentice or a DIY getting beautiful solders is not having clean pipe. Now, even when you buy pipe brand new, I'd always recommend that you give it a bit of a clean, and often you'll see me using wire wool or emery cloth to do that. The first thing that I always find really helps is basically you heat this beast up a little bit, okay? You see all that paint crackling on there? Now that is going to make this come off so much easier than what it did before. So that's the first thing. But the best thing to do, I always find, is to grab yourself a beautiful bit of emery cloth. Oh my god, look at that emery cloth. Now, we're going to ride it round the pipe now. Look at that. Cleaning it down like you've never seen it before. Oh my god. That is amazing. See how clean that is? See how clean that pipe is underneath? You go all round the pipe. Of how to actually solder a little copper pipe. And that's fine, you can do that if you want, that's perfectly fine. I've done it for years and it works really, really well. But there are often better ways of doing things. Now, definitely wire wool is not going to clean down a bit of painted pipe just like this. That's going to be a difficulty, it's going to be a problem. And you'll be here for ages trying to do it. You'll be burning it off using your soldering torch and all that sort of stuff. And the reason why we need to get these pipes clean is because solder will not run properly on a dirty pipe. So it's very important that we get the pipes really, really clean. And these are what I've been using. Now, I've got two sets, like I said. One of these sets here is a 15mm and a 22mm set, and you're gonna have a chance to win one of these at the end of the video, and I'll show you how. But before we get over to that, and there's no rush, don't worry guys, what I wanna do is just show you exactly what these are and how they work. Now, they'll go in on the end of a standard impact driver like what I've got here, or obviously you can use this on a standard chuck drill for a combi drill. Now if we just look at this piece here, so we've got a lot of pipe on, so we've got a lot of real minging stuff on there. Let's just clamp this up. Now you can do this by hand, but I just want to clamp it so you get a really good idea as to how these work. So look, let's get a nice close-up guys, all right? So we've got a piece here, got a lot of paint on it. Look, that would take ages to get that off usually. If you're going to be cleaning this off with, you know, with a bit of emery cloth or something like that, that's going to take ages. But here, look, we just do it. Go in and out a few times. You just know that is absolutely back to brand new. And you know that's all the way around, that's got that. Look, if I take this off, look at that. All the way around there, maybe just a little bit there we need to sort of quickly have a go at, but look. That is going to be a perfect soldered joint when that's done. Now, you can also get these in 15mm, so, I mean, you pretty much guessed it. You just swap it over. Bang your 15 in, and look, we've got, you know, a pretty mungy old bit of 15mm here. So I can just put that on there like that. And there we go, ready to solder. Like, seriously saves you so much time. Look at that. My God. The other good thing about these is say we're going up to a piece of pipe that's clipped. So let's say we've got, let's just set a little rig up for you and we'll have a look at that now. Let's get this on like that. All right, there we go. So I can, nice and easily, get to the end of this. But I can improve this whole system just by buying this. Now I've listed this on my Amazon store It's just a small angle drill attachment. I think they're about on a £5, something like that. I can pop both of these, the 15mm and the 22mm, into this here like so. And then I've got that, and then I've got an angled attachment I can get into loads and loads of tight nooks and crannies. Now obviously, if you're doing loads and loads of plumbing work, if you're doing loads of soldering, then it might be a good idea if you'd actually go out and buy an angled drill, a mini angled drill. Loads of manufacturers make them just for this, okay? I'd recommend doing that, it's quite a good idea. But let me just pop that on here and then I'll show you how I'd use this now. So now I can approach this bit from here, like so, and just... Now, a good little test, look, I can do here. There's always a worry when you're cleaning pipe, is have I got it clean around the back yet? Is that all okay? And look, we've got that nice and clean all the way round. Get rid of the dust. So yeah, ready for reaming and then for soldering. So there you go, guys. You know that these are absolutely fantastic. They're a really, really good addition to your pipe cleaning equipment. Pretty much is going to replace most of it. Just be aware of the fact that on the inside of these, they clean better if they go one way, and they'll clean a little bit worse the other. So you'll find that out along the way. One thing as well about this little attachment here is these can fall out a little bit. So a lot of the time you won't be using this attachment. It's just nice to have. I might update the angle attachment that I use on this if I find a better one on Amazon. And if I do, you'll see it online on the Amazon store. So look, I know what you've come to see really. You just want to see us do a little bit of soldering, don't you? So look, where have we got a piece here? Look at this bit. Let's get this bit here, shall we? Let's give it a clean up and let's just pop an elbow on. And while I do that, I'll tell you how you can go about winning this little set that I've got here of 15 and 22mm cleaners. Oh yes, baby. Oh yeah, I've also updated my tool bag. So now I've got a little string arrangement here with a little carabiner as well, so I can just hook on my new heat mat as well that I built in a video a few weeks ago. If you've not seen that, check it out. That's there as well. Absolutely quality, guys. So all you need to do to enter this competition is to follow Plumber Parts on Instagram, find this post here, and comment as to why you think you should win one of these. Finally, follow Dan.Stokes66 on Instagram as well. He's the guy who makes these amazing little tools. The competition is open to UK residents only and will close on the 8th of June 2021 at midnight. I'll announce the winners in next Wednesday's video. Good luck, everybody. So then guys, I hope you've enjoyed this little video telling you about these little beasts and how you can win one. Remember, you haven't got much time to enter into this. So if it's after the closure date, I've also added the eBay link so you can buy them over on Dan's eBay shop, because that's where he's selling them. He makes these himself and then he sells them out of his eBay. So lend the man a hand. I mean, for a set of these, they're 40 quid. So not to be sniffed at cash wise, but they are going to save you so much time and hassle on site. And you know what it's like if you're soldering something up against a wall and there's a little bead of that paint that you haven't got off yet and that leaks, suddenly that 40 quid doesn't seem so bad, does it? One thing I would say that I'd love to see maybe was a way that you could store these in your bag or something like that in your tool bag. So I'm going to figure out a way that I can do that. Maybe like a clip arrangement, like a circlip or something around these shafts, but they're absolutely brilliant. So I highly, highly recommend you get these. They're absolutely great. Thanks for watching, guys. I'll see you in the next comments video, so I might answer your comments. So if you've got any comments about these, say them below and I will. Remember to hit the subscribe button and also the notification bell, because YouTube isn't so great at the moment telling people that we've uploaded a new video. Don't ask me why. So make sure you hit that so you don't miss out. Also, if you get a chance, join the AL Army exclusive live streams on Thursday evening at 6:30, where we all get together, have a quick beer together, which is very nice. But also you get sneak peeks of next week's video. You also get input on the song that we sing, if we have time to do that, and loads of other things as well. So thanks ever so much for watching, guys. I'll see you in the next Plumber Parts video. And remember, if there's one thing you've got to do, that's hold tight. See you soon.